Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer Girl Boss. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And this is Bases Loaded Lacquer Girl Boss. Yay, yay, yay. I'm so excited. So I've got my base coat down and dry and I'm going in with my first coat of Girl Boss. Now this doesn't look like much right this second, but you guys just hang on. I was floored with this one. The shift and the sparkles just sang so pretty. So now I'm going to go in with the second coat of Girl Boss. And now you're starting to be able to see the sparkle in this one. It's like purple and blue, teal, aqua, something, I don't know. But it is bling-tastic. I am going to do a third coat. If my nails were longer, I might would have done a fourth coat. You'd never know. I do like it like this though. I didn't want to put this one over black because I think it's just going to sing so much better on its own. Whoa. I'm going to top it with Fast and Hard by Vibrant Vinyls. And this is because I plan on wearing this manicure for, 2 or 3 days on its own before I put some nail art on it. This is one of those manis in progress, I'm going to cap my free edge here real quick. But, oh, how pretty. Oh, my goodness. Here's a swatch photo on its own. I'll be stamping with Marianne Nails XXL 6 stamping plate today. It's humongous. I've never taken the plastic film off of something so big. But let me tell you, it's a little struggle bus, and I'm sharing it. I figured a few seconds wouldn't matter that much. But you got to really hold this plate down and work it from one side and then the other. But, oh my goodness, so many images on this plate. It's massive. I've never experienced anything like this. Oh my gosh, it's huge. I don't even know how I'm going to store it. I'm going to clean the whole plate with pure acetone real quick. I'm rubbing it all down. This plate was a little sticky from the film. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not, but I always err on the side of caution and just do it. It's not going to hurt anything. And then I'm going to turn it around because I've already picked out a couple of images I want to play with. Like this one, and then there's another one. I've got my Monocle stamper and Maniology scraper out. I've got On the Black by Bases Loaded Lacquer to stamp with today. And I thought I would try scraping from this way so I didn't have to break out my little mini mat. But I didn't really feel comfortable doing it like that. So I'm going to clean this stamper off on my lint roller. Clean that image off with some pure acetone. And we're going to get my little mini mat out eventually. Because I just don't feel comfortable scraping it that way. You get used to doing things one way. There we go. Got the mini mat out. Gonna get this one next. And so these are going to be my accent nails, my ring fingernail and my thumbnail. And then I'm going to use this other image on the other 3 nails. And I really, really liked that. One of the images covered up some of the nail quite a bit. And this little star going in the center of these other nails, I loved it. I really, really liked how it worked together. We're going to do another one. Very nice. The images are coming up off the stamping plate perfect. I'm really, really happy with this plate. I just kept looking all over it. I was like a kid in a candy store looking at all the cool images on the stamping plate. I'm going to have to break it out again soon. So many I want to play with. Alrighty, I'm going to clean up with a little piece of tape here real quick. Gotta get some of this excess off of my skin real fast. There we go. It's coming up pretty good. Pretty good. I didn't put on any Burt's Bees or anything because I was just in too big of a rush to play. And now I'm going to break out my cleanup brush and just do a little bit of tidying up. And if I be careful, I won't make too much of a mess with this. There we go. Clean, clean, clean. But this one was really, really fun. And I ended up, I wore the plain manicure for 3 days. And then I believe I wore the stamped version another 3 days. So I'm going to top this one off with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Get it to, seal it up a little bit. And now I'm going to finish it off with the Moonshine Mani Let's Go top coat. And we're going to call this one done, finished. Beautiful. I loved it. But I would love to hear what you think about it. So leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And there it is. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.